Okay guys, so I just want to walk you through how I install Windows XP 64-bit Service Pack 2 from an ISO USB key on my Lenovo X121E laptop. First we're going to turn on the computer here and we're going to see if it will boot. If the USB is in first priority, it will just show right up here. So I'm going to press enter and select the first part of the Windows XP Professional Service Pack 2 64-bit setup. And it will start to load up the installation. And remember to go in your BIOS and change from Wi-Fi to an MBR or whatever it's called. Yeah, and also if you have the option to set the what it's called AHCI in compatibility mode, you should set that also to make sure that the installation goes as smooth as possible. And now we just press enter. Here we're going to select the drive for installation. Here we have my internal SSD drive, and I'm just going to press D to delete the partition and press enter and press L to confirm. And now I have the unpartitioned space that I want to install the system on. So I'm just going to press enter and a quick format should do. And here we go. Now the setup is formatting the SSD drive. And now it should start copying files from the USB to the SSD internal drive. Yes. And now the computer will reboot. Press enter. And the USB will again load its bootloader, and I'm just going to press enter here to get the boot options. And now we are going to choose the second part of Windows XP Professional installation. And there we go. Checking file system on D. To skip, I'm just gonna skip this. So I just pressed enter and it will continue. And now it is installing devices. And now we have reached the regional and language options, and I'm just gonna press next here unless there's something you want to change. Name, I can just type like John. Next, and now you're going to enter the product key and press next. And after pressing next, you will reach this page for entering the computer name and the password. Let's see if we can just press next without entering a password. Like that. And you can set the time and date right here and press next. Let me know in the comment section why you are installing Windows XP. Are you doing it for fun, or what is your mission with this? Please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button. Please make any comment if you have any thoughts about Windows XP. And now when the computer reboots, you just take out the USB key and start the computer so that it can boot from the internal SSD or hard drive. And now, my friends, we have successfully installed Windows XP x64 edition. Thank you for watching.